Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, WLAN module, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, and display panel assembly. Removal. Carefully separate the inside edges of the display bezel from the top, sides, and bottom to disengage it from the display enclosure. Important: the right and left edges of the display bezel are held in place with adhesive. Take care when removing them from the display enclosure. It may be necessary to use a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool to aid in the removal. Lift the display bezel off of the display enclosure and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the display bezel.